Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today I have a share with you. I recently purchased a Peachy Cheap deal. So if you're not familiar, peachycheap.com. They it's like every night, like I'm on the West Coast, so it's like around 9 o'clock at night, so like midnight East Coast time, they release a special deal. And it's typically on older items. And I don't know if they reprint them or how they get them. But they have some pretty good deals here and there, so I'll take advantage of them. And this last time, what I did, which this deal's already gone, so I apologize for that, but it was 45 12 by 12 sheets of Maggie Holmes paper, random, so it's like a mystery box, for $24.99 and then $5 shipping. So I felt like that was a really good deal. I don't have a lot of Maggie Holmes in my collection, and even before, I've never really bought very much of it, so I thought this was a great chance to get some. And I love 12 by 12 paper. So this is what I got. So I already took it out of the box. You can see 45 sheets is a lot. It is, like half an inch or so of a stack of paper. Maybe a little bit more, 5/8 of an inch. It's all nice and thick paper, which I really like. And it is double-sided. I really like a lot of the things that she does because she has a lot of florals. And I don't know why I never really bought much, but I didn't, and I haven't, so here you go. So let me show you what I got. This deal is not available. They have their deals for 24 hours, and then they're gone. So you do have to jump on it if you want it. And they're always older collections. They don't typically have anything brand new. So it's always something that's a couple years old. So this right here, and it did say you get duplicates, which I was totally fine with. So this is Maggie Holmes, and I did organize it already because I was so excited to see it. This is the Parasol collection, and I got actually quite a bit of the Parasol collection. Let me just show you. Excuse me. So this right here is all Parasol collection. So we've got these adorable bows, which I love, and then it has this floral on the other side, which I don't really care much for, but the bows I am super excited to have, and I did get 4 sheets, I believe, yes, 4 sheets of the bows. So super cute. And then I also got the matching tags, which I thought these were really pretty. But I got a lot of them, and the other side is just kind of okay. It's a green leafy print, one that I probably would really use, so I kind of have to use the tags. But I did get a lot of tags. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of tags and cut aparts. So that's kind of a lot. Not sure how I will use all of these up, but they are really cute, so that's nice, and it does go together, which is always really helpful. And then I got the sheet music page, which I really love sheet music, and on the other side are the stamps, and I love the stamps, especially in all these colors. I love these colors, so I was really excited about this, and I got 4 sheets of that, which I love that because I love both sides, so that really gives me the chance to use both sides by having 4 sheets. And then I got, let's see, this one is just kind of a nice basic print, but I do like the colors. But look at the other side. So it's all the architecture again, so that's really nice. And I did get 2 of those. Yes. So that's the Parasol collection. And then the next collection is Woodland Grove. And so we have a marble sheet. There are 2 of these marble sheets, but on the back side are hearts. I love hearts. And the marble side is really pretty too. So this was really a great one for me. And then we've got this really great like plaid. I don't think it's really a check. I think it's more of a plaid. But there are 2 of those and a really pretty floral on the other side. So that's really nice. Excuse me. We've got allergies, so I have to clear my throat. But we've got this one. I guess, I don't know if these are oranges. It's kind of how they look like oranges, but they kind of look like peaches too. But that looks like orange blossoms. So I'm going to say it's oranges because it's Woodland Grove and they call them orange groves. So, and then just a basic pattern on the back. There's 2 sheets of that. We've got these cameras. I really like the cameras. And these are the cut aparts on the back. Don't love this like whole cheetah thing there, but the cut aparts for me are just okay. I like the bingo card quite a bit. This floral is nice, but I really like the camera, so I may not even use the cut aparts. Also, I feel like her collections are really similar in color. So I feel like I could probably use these cut aparts with this collection. They always, to me, they seem like there's always the same colors. Because even if you look at this sheet and look at the bows, it totally matches that bow. So I think I could intermix a lot of this. So there's 2 sheets of that, and then we've got this really nice floral. It's kind of like a mustard color, and there are 4 sheets of that. And then there is the back side, which is some fun checkerboard in different colors. And so again, look at how much these colors just, they all match. So I think that they could all be intermixed together. All right, and so that is all the Woodland Grove that I got. And next we have Forever Fields. These big, like painting of a landscape, I don't know that I would use. But the back side, definitely I would use that floral. So I did get 2 of those. And then I love this, love the big floral print, kind of like a peony. Got 2 of those, and then on the other side is a really nice like ledger page, which I think is really fun too. And that would be super usable for me. And then this is a whole nother landscape. I got 3 of those. And then a similar background. It's just a different color, I think. Let's see. Really close in color. This one has a tiny bit more pink in it. This one is much more like a gray taupey color, but super similar. Like, that's kind of crazy. All right, and then butterflies. Love the butterflies. I got 2 pages of those. The back side is a landscape, which again I probably would not use, but the butterflies absolutely would use. Really nice kind of a plaid here. I got 2 of those, and it's kind of a, it's a big like tree, which I wouldn't use, but totally love this. And then we've got this stripe, which I got 2 of those, and we got more bows on the back, so very cute, like the stripe, like the bows. And then we've got this kind of collage paper. I got 2 of those, and it's just like a really muted page, which has a little bit of script writing on it. But that looks good. And then, let's see. Oh, this is the cut aparts, which I did get 2 pages of cut aparts. And those are cute. I could see using those. And then we've got this nice black and cream pattern on the back. Then lastly, I got 2 sheets of Garden Party, which I love, love, love this floral. So that was very exciting, and it's just like a black dot on the background, on the back side. So I would totally use this front side. And again, I mean, those colors all go together. So I could definitely intermix all of that. The other thing, I went through my stash, and what I have for Maggie Holmes is I have only 6x8 paper pads. So I do have 2 that I got at Tuesday Morning from long time ago. And these are the Flourish collection, which this is from 2017. But, I mean, you can just see a lot of the same colors. So I have 2 of those. And then I have Garden Party. Yay. Because this one has a lot of florals, which I love. And then I also, and that's from 2020. And I also have Marigold, which is from 2020. And this one does have some florals, some cameras, some houses, some bees. It's very cute. Again, all the same colors. So this is what I have for Maggie Holmes, and I think I could intermix it all. And I just thought for $24.99, that was a great deal to get 45 sheets of 12x12 paper. So I just wanted to share that with you, let you know. Check out peachycheap.com, and if you subscribe to them, you'll get an email every evening that will show you the deal for 24 hours. And actually, sometimes there's 2 deals because they have like a sister site. And there'll be a second deal if you scroll down through that, you know, you may or may not like. But they really vary too, because sometimes they'll have like embossing paste, and you'll get like 6 embossing paste, 6 different colors, and that will be the deal. It's not always paper, but I have gotten several paper collections along with like matching ephemera and stickers and all different kinds of things. They'll do like little kits, and they're usually like a really good deal. So, and sometimes they're older collections. Well, they're always older, but sometimes they're collections you can't always find as easily now. So, you know, it's just a great way to get some favorites maybe that you didn't take advantage of when they first came out, or you used it all and you'd like to have it again. But really excited to get some Maggie Holmes in my collection. All right, so check out peachycheap.com. Thanks so much for visiting with me, and if you want to see what I make on a regular basis, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next crafty video. Bye-bye.